In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Sprints. To get started, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp Workspace. From the main navigation, head over to your overview area in the team space where you want to manage your sprints. This is essentially the home base for that team, and it's where your sprint setup is going to live. Once you're in the overview, look for the highlighted area that opens up more options for that space. This might be a menu or a button near the top. Go ahead and click on that highlight to reveal additional settings and tools related to your team space. From the options that appear, select Templates. ClickUp provides ready-made configurations that save you a lot of time, and using a sprint template ensures you don't miss any key lists or views. After opening Templates, you'll see a selection of available templates. Click on the highlighted Sprint Template option to open its details. Now, click on Use Template. This is where you apply that sprint framework into your workspace. You may be prompted to name or confirm parts of the template setup. When you see a highlighted field, type in the name or text that best matches how your team talks about sprints. Keeping names consistent helps everyone find what they need quickly. Next, choose where this template should live. Click on Team Space and select the specific space where you want your new sprint structure to be created. This is important. If you pick the wrong space, your sprint lists and views could end up in a place your team doesn't normally check. After confirming the location, click on Use Template again to finalize. ClickUp will then create the sprint structure for you. Give it a moment to generate all the lists and views. Once it's created, you'll see a Getting Started guide. Click on that. This guide is designed to walk you through how the sprint setup works, and it's a great place to review the intended workflow for your team. From there, click on Sprint Backlog Items. This is where you'll keep all the tasks that might go into future sprints. You can start adding tasks, organizing them, and prioritizing what you'd like to tackle next. Next, click on Resources. This section usually contains helpful documents, reference material, or links your team might need during a sprint. Finally, switch over to the Board view by clicking on Board. This shows your sprint tasks in columns, making it easy to track progress from start to finish using a familiar visual workflow.